all, welcome back to Turning Points, weekly series for part-time traders and investors. Today we are going to see what type of animal we are in stock market. Yes, you heard right. We behave like certain animals based on the experience we have in stock market or based on the emotions we are carrying. But most of the time, we see this bull or bear in the news. Bull market or bear market. These are the buzzing words which we see in the news channels. So first we start with this bull and bear. Bull market. So in this market situation, we'll be very much optimistic, and we will tend to buy more stocks, and prices keep going up. And why we call this market as bull market? So while if you see when the bull is attacking, it swipes up is its head. And if you see the bear market, and bear market is something when we see that lot of pessimism, the kind of fear in the market, and we tend to sell more stocks, and the price keep going down. And if you see the bear attack, it swipes down its hands while attacking. So that's how these two names are popularly used in the market. And we also switch between these two annual behaviors. Like sometimes we'll be keep buying more stocks with a lot of optimism, and sometimes we'll be keep selling with a lot of pessimism in the market. And not only these two, we have a lot of other animals. So let's discuss in detail these animal behaviors. So as we all see, already we saw that bull market is for full of optimistic investors, and they push the prices higher, and bear market a lot of pessimism, and they sell the stocks and keep the market low. And apart from that, we also have these rabbits in the market. These kind of investors or traders, they take positions for very short time. Like they buy today, and they might sell tomorrow or day after tomorrow, and they might book very little profits as well. And there are turtles in the market who slowly buy and hold it for a long time, then they also slowly sell. They'll not be jumping into the stock, buying aggressively in the beginning and sell it immediately. So this is not the case. And most of the beginners in the market are pigs. They behave like they are impatient, they are greedy, they are also emotional, and they book a lot of losses in the market. And then there are chicken. These investors are fearful investors who take low risk, like they just participate in some low risk stocks or bonds, and book profits also very less. And there is a very big group of sheep, so they follow news, they also follow their friends suggestion, they also follow some youtubers like me, and then invest into some stock, but they are not interested in developing their own investing strategy or their own style. So most of the time we see group of sheep and group of pigs in the retail segment of retail investors. And then there is a smart investors or traders called stacks. So they look for opportunities. They neither tend to behave bullish or bearish. They look for other opportunities based on the situation, based on the market condition. They take position whether to sell or buy. And the last group is whales. They are extremely big investors, like some institutional investors. We can also put mutual funds into this group, and we can also put foreign investors into this group who are having very big capital. And actually, they move the market. It's not retailers that they move the market. It's this group of whales who move the market. And we always don't stick to one animal behavior. Like when we are a beginner in the market, we tend to behave like pig or sheep. Then slowly we move to rabbits and then turtle. Then finally we end up at stags. And some people who wants to be a long-term investor, they move to bulls. And when there is any uncertainty in the world, like a pandemic or a war, that time we all tend to behave like a bear. So it's not like we only behave like one particular animal. And once we grow up in the once we grow our capital to certain extent, then we go into the group of whales that we will also become a big investor in the market and we also move the market. I hope you all also establish our path towards this whales group. Thanks for watching. See you next week.